Welcome to our quick guide, from classic to cutting edge, Docker versus traditional hosting. Let's dive in. Traditionally, hosting meant setting up physical servers or virtual machines. Think of it as renting a whole office for your project. You install everything manually, and environments can become a hassle to manage. Enter traditional hosting, reliable, but often slow to scale and tricky to replicate across different setups. Now, meet Docker, a game changer. Docker packages your application and its dependencies into lightweight, portable containers. With Docker, you can run the same environment anywhere, on your laptop, a server, or the cloud, eliminating the "it works on my machine" problem. Traditional hosting involves manual setup and configuration for each server. Docker automates this, making deployment faster and more consistent. In short, while traditional hosting is tried and true, Docker offers flexibility, scalability, and efficiency for modern development. So, whether you're maintaining legacy systems or building new apps, understanding Docker versus traditional hosting helps you choose the right approach. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights.